Time to dispose of the evidence. Clean the bathroom. Right. Take it slow. We don't want it to spill. Oh, hey, Oren. What are you doing? Uh-oh, it's gonna blow! Oh, never mind. A block. Let's add it to the collection. Now our Doe the Doughman is complete. Ooh, is it playtime already? Wait, watch out for that foot! He always wanted to be a mosaic. Just be happy it wasn't a cleat. You know, I think Doughy's started a brand new trend. Ooh, a new phone. Time for a little unboxing. Guess your new phone doesn't come charged. Don't worry, we'll get you plugged in. Ooh, guess we're out of potatoes. Let's hope it works. Oh, I jinxed it. Quick, grab the fire extinguisher. That phone was insured, right? Well, it's no big deal. The box is more fun anyway. Carve it in half and slice it up into pieces. Fill up the holes with tiny number boxes. Add a screen and try out your new phone. Look at those contacts. Somebody's popular. Just remember proper phone etiquette. Let's blow up a balloon. We might need to outsource. Great. Now grab a piece of construction paper. Slice it up into ribbons and twist them together. Soon, you'll have a paper spring. Add some odds and ends and make a bunch. Now your balloon's got some legs. Let's put a nice face on things. It's Catnap, and he's in good company. Ooh, these guys sure have a spring in their step. Hey, look, a Doe the Doughman bling bag. You get your own Doughy. And wow, a box. Last but not least, a mystery prize. Let's see, a scary face. Next, a sad face. Well, gray skies are gonna clear up, so put on a happy face. I wonder what the box has got next. A hat. Doughy sure is a dapper guy, but he's kinda stiff. You need to be more flexible. Let's start by taking a seat. Try it out. Hope it doesn't pop. Sorry, I'm such a jinx today. Yeah, I think she just got the point. Here's what we'll do. Slice up some gel balls. Give it a good squeeze to fill up some two-sided tape. Make it nice and round, but leave room for squish. We're gonna need two. Now sit down and relax. Wow, that hair looks totally magical. So why don't you try a pixie cut? Besides, we can use these strands for our next craft. Fold the ribbons into the middle. Hey, look, it's our old pal Sunny Buddy. And it looks like he's got a cool trick for us. Stay tuned, and he'll do a double helix. Whoa, stretchy dinosaurs! Let's grab a bunch. They don't all have wings, but they're still gonna fly. Some say they have eyes in the back of their heads. But this dino's got one better. Another mouth! Fill it up with clay, and he'll make pasta. But I think she's in the mood for meatballs. Better yet, let's whip up a new Doughy. Don't forget the hat. It's his thing. Aw, what cute little stress balls. But the best part has gotta be the filling. Still, with the extra space, there's more room to squish. And just look at that stretch! It goes on for days. She's gonna sleep good tonight. It's arts and crafts time. So here comes the paper dolls. What do you think they want? Hey, an egg. Wow, it's a tiny red T-Rex, and it's got bite. We should give our new friend a hand. Anyone up for whack-a-mole? With extra whacking. What? We're low on moles. You really should stay inside the lines. No brush, no worries. Just use a stencil. Let's have some fun and mix up the colors. Yeah, this last one should speed things up. Wait, this is no ordinary Doe Man. It's a Doe Woman, the bride of Doe Man. Even if you can't paint, you can still enjoy the show. Are you hungry? Let's hope not, because that's not food. But it's all right. It's much more fun to squish. Now give it a good spritz. Time for a shave? That's one way to wash your hands. Now why don't we pinch those cheeks? Plus a little extra. It's poking time. Double the bubbles, double the fun. You know, it's important to multitask. That phone's insured, right? Right? You know you went too far when you hit the ocean. Even better, you've reached Sprunky Land. And they even brought your phone. Aww. You okay, Pinky? I never knew Sprunkies laid eggs. Looks like the Easter Bunny's got competition.
Wow!
Aw, and look who's coming out of their shell. Happy birthday! Let's celebrate with a trip to the pool. Wait till you try the spin cycle. Uh-oh! Oh, they're all to pieces. Well, I guess we can scoop them up. Ooh, these blocks practically build themselves. Nothing beats a nice shower, except maybe a bubble bath. Now where's that loofah? Oh, here it is. Poor Alexis! Can't you hear him scream? What? Now you're washing behind your ears? It's okay. Pinky brought a glue gun. For once, it's okay to draw on the walls. Especially with all of our Sprunky friends. Remember, you scratch their back, they'll scratch yours. Or something like that. What? Are you wishing really hard or something? Ooh, should have wished for more TP. Don't worry, Sprunky's to the rescue. In fact, that's too much. We'll need something to hold it all. Ah, Vinaria, always willing to lend a hand. Or tendril. But she prefers to be on the green side. Now why don't you relax and branch out? Good. Just veg and let her do her, well, business. Thirsty, Simon? Durple's got you covered. Of course, with juice, you only rent it. Ugh, Simon, you need to work on your aim. But first, you need a full body wash. Why don't we make you your own bath? And more importantly, away from ours. Look, your old pal Simon is here to help. But did anyone else expect Aqua? Either way, we really need to wash this guy. Ah, much better. Now get out of here, you silly scamp. You think we should call a plumber? Wait a minute. Is that chocolate? Hey, careful, you two. You might just break it. Well, why let a good button go to waste? Now this is really the best seat in the house. Ooh, what does this button do? And this one. And this one. Uh-oh, looks like this restroom's occupied. Look through the keyhole. It's Pinky. And it looks like she might be a while. The Sprunkies take, but they also give. This device will help you go on the go. Either way, it's time to fill her up. That's better, but I think it's disposal time. I hope you washed your hands, Pinky. Hey, it's Doe the Doughman. He's going for a ride. Round and round he goes, but he's not going anywhere.
Oh no!
Poor Doughy. Well, at least he's saved by the clog. What can we do? Aha! A Durple bath bomb. Nice and foamy, and it smells like grape. Okay, now let's get Doughy out of here. Oh, you naughty Sprunkies. You're on thin ice. Uh-oh, Doughy seems to be missing something. Don't worry, we can whip you up a new head. Take some old gum and put it to good use. Ah, now he's never looked better. Ooh, soap! Time to wash those dirty paws. Uh-oh, now that is some slippery soap. But soap can come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Here's an idea. We'll make some bars with a personal touch. Aw, all our Sprunky friends have mini-me's. And they'll be even smaller after a quick wash. A snake and eggs? She ordered steak and eggs. Candy? Well, it's better than reptiles. Oh no! And she never even got to lick it.
Oops.
Don't worry, Sky's got a lollipop for you. And he'll keep it safe and sound, too. Don't worry, he doesn't have a tongue. We should get Simon a litter box. This seat is a little too big for him. Besides, he can't even reach to flush. And guess who gets stuck with cleaning duties? Come on, might as well start with the orange. Don't worry, Sky. Durple's got your back. You too, Simon. You started this mess. Simon and Ratty just want to sit back and relax. If only they picked a better place to do it.
Uh-oh.
Well, they've never been closer, I guess. Okay, Sprunkies, we're gonna need all your help. Roll it up with the power of the rainbow. Soon, you'll have cool new slime. And just look what it can do! Add to the seat. Cleanup has never been easier. Keep it close. It looks like you'll need it real soon.